You know, we've all been searching for happiness for a long time, and sometimes we can feel like we're just going from one disappointment to another. But there are certain things that can make you unhappy in your life, and if you keep doing them, you will never be happy. The first one is comparing yourself with other people. Sometimes comparing ourselves with other people can be good. It can motivate us to do more or become better. But when it comes from a place of low self-esteem or insecurity, then it becomes toxic. When you start to compare your achievements, looks, success, possessions, or anything else with someone else's, you're basically telling yourself that you are not good enough as you are. And this is especially damaging when you compare yourself with people who have something that you really want. Let's say you want to be an influencer, and you compare yourself with other influencers. You might start to feel bad about yourself because their numbers are way bigger than yours. But remember, you're just seeing the tip of the iceberg. You don't know what goes on behind the scenes. Maybe they have a team working for them. Maybe they've been at it for a long time, and maybe they have more resources. And even if that's not the case, why would you want to live someone else's life? Their life might look perfect from the outside, but that doesn't mean that it actually is. The grass may be green on the other side of the fence, but it's only because they water it that color. Remember, you can never be your best if you're too busy trying to be like someone else. Number 2 is staying in a toxic relationship. Now, relationships should be nurturing, loving, and supportive. They should make you feel good about yourself. But sometimes we can get sucked into a relationship that is quite the opposite. A toxic relationship can be emotionally draining and can bring you nothing but stress, anxiety, and sadness. It can make you feel trapped and hopeless. And sometimes we can even convince ourselves that this is normal. But the truth is, if you're in a toxic relationship, no matter how hard you try, you will never be happy. If the person you're with is bringing you more pain than joy, it's time to go. Don't let your fear of being alone keep you in a relationship that is destroying you. Number 3 is not taking care of your body. Our body is our temple, and we need to treat it with respect. When we don't take care of our body, we're essentially saying that we hate ourselves. We might start to feel sluggish, tired, and demotivated, and this can quickly turn into a downward spiral. When you don't feel good in your body, it can affect your mood, your confidence, and your overall quality of life. Taking care of your body is not just about being fit and healthy, it's also about feeling good in your own skin. When you feel good in your body, you radiate health, happiness, and confidence. And when you're radiating these things, you attract more of the same. And number 4 is living in the past or worrying about the future. When we're stuck in the past, we're constantly ruminating over what could have been or what we did wrong. And when we're worrying about the future, we're constantly anxious about what might happen. Both of these can make us miserable in the present moment. We need to learn to live in the present moment and to enjoy it to the fullest. When we're in the present moment, we're able to appreciate all of the good things in our lives, and we're able to let go of the negative things. Meditation and mindfulness can help us to focus on the present moment and to enjoy it to the fullest. When we're focused on the present moment, we're less likely to worry about the future or to ruminate about the past. And when we're not worried about the future or ruminating about the past, we're much more likely to be happy. So if you're not happy, then ask yourself, am I comparing myself with other people? Am I in a toxic relationship? Am I taking care of my body? And am I living in the past or worrying about the future? And if the answer to any of these questions is yes, then it's time to make a change. You deserve to be happy, and you deserve to be in a relationship that makes you happy. You deserve to feel good in your body, and you deserve to live in the present moment. So make the changes today that you need to make in order to create the happy life that you deserve.